In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Hyper-V Manager on Windows Home Editions. While the Hyper-V is a feature exclusive to the Windows Pro, there is a workaround that allows you to enable it on your Home Editions as well. So let's get started. First, I'm currently on my Windows Home Edition. If I search for Hyper-V, you'll notice that I don't get any result. That's because Hyper-V Manager isn't available on your Home Editions. Even if I go to Turn Windows Features on or off, it won't appear in the list. Now, to enable it on your Windows Home Edition, from the taskbar search, type CMD, right-click on the command prompt, and select Run as an Administrator. This is an important step as we need administrative privileges to execute these commands. Now we need to run few commands to install and enable the Hyper-V feature on your computer. Copy the command from the descriptions below in this video, and let's paste them in the command prompt. Once you do this, just wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, you'll see a message that says the operation completed successfully. After that, it will prompt you to restart your computer, so simply type Y and hit enter. Your PC will now restart. Once your computer has restarted, go back to the Windows search bar and type Hyper-V. You should now see it in the result. If you click on it, it should open without any issues. And there you have it. This is how easy it is to enable Hyper-V Manager on your Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.